Most people think the AI revolution is happening on their phone screens. Chatbots answering questions, images being created in seconds, voices talking back like real humans. But that's only the surface. The real action is happening far away from our screens, inside enormous buildings packed with computers that never sleep. Nebius Group lives in that hidden world. Nebius doesn't make AI apps. You won't download Nebius from an app store. Instead, Nebius builds the invisible backbone that makes modern AI possible. Every smart response, every AI generated video, every voice assistant needs an insane amount of computing power. Nebius exists to provide that power. Imagine AI as a high-performance race car. Most people admire the car. Very few think about the engine, the fuel system, and the track that allows it to move at full speed. Nebius builds all of that in the background. What Nebius actually does is surprisingly simple when you strip away the technical language. It builds special data centers designed only for AI and rents them out to companies that need massive computing power. Instead of spending billions building their own AI infrastructure, companies can simply plug into Nebius and start running their models. But here's where it gets interesting. Nebius isn't just renting machines. Anyone can do that. Nebius is trying to become a full AI platform. It designs the buildings, installs the most powerful chips, and runs smart software that decides how workloads move, how energy is used, and how everything stays fast and secure. The goal is to make AI cheaper, faster, and easier to run at scale. This matters because AI is changing fast. It's no longer just about text. AI is now creating videos, understanding voices, and generating images in real time. These things require far more computing power than most people realize. Video alone can consume many times more power than text-based AI. That's why demand for AI infrastructure keeps exploding, and why companies like Nebius are racing to build it. At one point, Nebius caught global attention after signing a massive long-term deal with Microsoft. For a company like Nebius, that kind of partnership is like being invited onto the main stage. It tells the world that this isn't a small experiment anymore. A giant like Microsoft wouldn't rely on Nebius unless the technology and execution were solid. That doesn't mean the deal is easy money. Big companies negotiate hard. They know smaller companies benefit from the association. But the real value of the deal isn't just profit, it's trust. It helps Nebius raise money, build faster, and scale with confidence because there's already demand waiting. Of course, this story isn't risk-free. Building AI data centers is brutally expensive. The chips cost millions, the technology evolves quickly, and competition is fierce, coming from both specialized AI infrastructure firms and tech giants with deep pockets. Nebius has to keep executing almost perfectly to stay ahead. Yet Nebius has something important working in its favor. It was built for AI from day one. No legacy systems, no old infrastructure to patch together. Everything is designed around one idea: power the next generation of artificial intelligence. The company isn't trying to be the loudest name in AI. It's trying to be the most essential one, the kind of business that quietly sits underneath everything, collecting value as AI usage grows across the world. And that's what makes Nebius interesting. It's not selling hype, it's selling the raw power that hype depends on. For investors and viewers alike, Nebius represents a simple but powerful idea. While everyone is focused on what AI can do, someone has to build the foundation that allows it to exist at all. Nebius is betting that the AI story is still in its early chapters, and that the companies building the infrastructure will matter just as much as the ones writing the headlines. Stay tuned for Nebius stock valuation and price target. This is not a financial advice. Happy investing.